Well, I was following you with your OMG Effect to join into the class, and I decided to invest in that, and I think it's the best thing. I'm a person that likes to know the ins and outs of how for things to work in order to be able to sell the product. And I'm such a firm believer of this product, how it works. I absolutely love, and my staff love it too. And once you know how to use the product, it's so easy to sell. And when they see the results, it's just unbelievable. And we all love doing it. We can't get our hands on doing another one in the salon. I ended up enrolling into the course, which was the best thing because it's a course that you can sit at home and do it and watch it. When I say do it, I went through every single module, listened, photocopied the step-by-steps, and I've got a booklet at work where we can all refer. And now that we're doing it constantly, that book's been put aside into the cupboard because we're so much confident.